I went vegan 15 years ago at the age of 58. I'm 73 today, and I'm still using the same staple that I used when I started, and that is bananas. Why bananas? Because bananas are a high energy food and they provide calories. When you're a raw vegan, you need calories. Where are you going to get it? The only place you can really get enough is from fruit. Okay, you could get it from nuts and seeds and avocados, but that would not be a healthy option. It would be way too much fat. So you've got to go to fruits. Fruits are the highest energy food on the planet. And the food that we eat, the energy that's in that food is transferred to your body and to your cells, giving you more energy. Most of you know I'm a tennis pro by trade, and what enables me to keep teaching tennis and playing tennis at 73? It's the food that I'm eating. It's high energy food. Now, some people say, yes, but it's too much sugar when you eat too much fruit. That's not really the case, because every cell in our body is fueled by simple sugars, and this is a slow release sugar. It's not like you're eating processed table sugar or eating processed sweets, okay? It's a slow release, and this is what we are designed for. So I'm sure that the Creator knew when He gave our first parents fruits, this was the food that is best for us. You know, there's a way that they can measure the energy in a food by electromagnetic units that are called angstroms. Now, the highest angstrom food on the planet is fruits, and number 2 is vegetables. Now, fruits come in at about 8 to 10,000 angstroms, and vegetables 8,000 to 9,000 angstroms. And humans typically are at about 6 to 7,000 angstroms, or systemic energy at all times. And that's what we need just to begin to smile, let alone to be happy or healthy. And when our angstrom levels drop, when they drop below 5,200, we are now susceptible to serious degenerative issues. So that's why I've been eating fruit for the last 15 years as my main calorie source. And when I first started, when I was 58 years old, I was eating as many as 20 to 30 bananas a day. Yes, 20 to 30, and I even wrote a song about it, which I'd like you to check out at the end of this video. But, and I use them for everything. You know, I make fruit bowls out of them. I put them in smoothies, and you're getting a nice chunk of calories. And remember, without calories, we're not going to be happy campers, and we don't want to be hungry. Okay, so you've got to eat more volume of fruit. Remember, the lower energy of your food, the lower energy you're going to have. The higher energy of your food, the higher energy you're going to have. It's that simple. Eat raw, delicious. The water's there, the fiber's there. Organic, if you can get it. Ripe fruit. The best food on the planet. 30 bananas a day. May sound crazy to some people, but I'll tell you, it's helped my health tremendously. Aches and pains have gone away, less anxiety, just so many benefits. Here's a little tune. I've taken an old disco tune and changed the words around. A little tune about 30 bananas a day. I don't always eat 30, sometimes 20. But here we go. Ain't no stopping us now. We're on the move. Yeah, baby. Ain't no stopping us now. We're in the groove. Yeah. I've been eating 30 bananas a day for a while. And let me tell you people, sure has helped my style. I know I've got a long, long way to go. I'm still detoxing and I'm 60 years old. But I won't let nothing hold me back. Gonna eat my 30 a day, yeah, I'm gonna stay right on track. And if you've ever been held down before, eat your 30 bananas, you won't be held down anymore. That's right. Don't you let nothing, nothing stand in your way. I want y'all to listen, listen to every word, yeah. Eat your 30 bananas a day. Ain't no stopping us now. We're on the move, eating 30 bananas a day. Ain't no stopping us now. We're in the groove. I know you know someone who thinks that you're a fool. Just relax, eat your 30, maintain your cool. They don't really have nowhere to go. You ask them where they're going, they don't know. But we won't let nothing hold us back. We're gonna eat our 30, yeah, we're gonna stay right on track. And if you've ever been held down before, eat your 30 bananas, you won't be held down anymore. That's right, you won't. Don't you let nothing, nothing stand in your way. I want y'all to listen, listen, yeah. Eat your 30 bananas a day. Ain't no stopping us now. We're on the move. Yeah, we are. Ain't no stopping us now. We're in the groove. Hey, Durian Rider, did you eat your 30 today? Freely, did you get 30 in? Let me tell you, you need those 30 bananas. Yeah, that 30 is gonna make you feel so fine. You won't need any wine, you're feeling fine. With 30 bananas a day. Yeah, 30 bananas a day. Yeah, 30 bananas. Try it. It's fantastic. Please subscribe to the channel, post any questions or comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All the best. It's time to fruit up. Take care.